Hi guys! Well, this is the last day of my vlogmas and I just want to wish all of you like Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. I want to wish you this year to be full of joy and happiness in each of your families, and I hope you this year will be great and amazing to all of you guys. I just want to thank you to everyone for this amazing year and this positive energy and this love that you gave me in this year is just unbelievable, and I can describe with my words. So I'm so thankful and grateful to all of you guys. I love you so much and you really motivate me to do more and more in the future, so thank you guys so much for this. Well, in today's video I'm gonna be doing a quick makeup tutorial. Oh, I missed this so much in this vlogmas. It was like already 1 month I haven't done makeup tutorial, and I'm so happy I'm doing this because I really missed this. And I'm gonna be doing a simple like festive holiday look, and I want to do a Christmas tree photo shoot in this outfit, in this like Mrs. Claus outfit. I'm gonna do my makeup now. Just keep on watching. So first I'm gonna start with my toner. I'm gonna be using this Kylie Skin vanilla milk toner to like clean my face. So I'm gonna moisturize my face now with this Kylie Skin moisturizer. So now I'm gonna apply this Kylie primer. This is the illuminating face primer. This like really helps my foundation to like spread like nicely on my face. So I'm gonna mix these two BB creams now, this light and natural shades. It's the Guerlain BB cream Lingerie Debut, and I'm like so disappointed, guys. I just love this BB cream and they just discontinued. So this is the last bottle, like last tube I have, and I'm so nervous. I don't know what I'm gonna be getting. So if you know like good, like perfect BB cream, just let me know in the comments and just save me, because this is just like my best and it has been like all the time. It has been with me like all the time, so now it's just discontinued, so I don't know what to use. So for my concealer, I'm going to be using this CoverGirl concealer. And for my contour, I'm going to use this Smashbox stick. So I'm gonna be blending my concealer with this InStylish beauty blender. Well, I got this beauty blender like recently and I got from this brand, and I just want to try it. It's so soft and so cute. Well, I think it will like blend my concealer well, so let's see. Just really love it. Well, in just a few seconds my beauty blender just blended into my concealer. Wow guys, I'm just impressed because it's so good. Look, it just blended my concealer so well. So I'm going to use my Laura Mercier setting powder to set my contour. I just love this beauty blender. It just does its job like perfectly. It's great with blending and also applying the setting powder. So guys, while I'm baking my contour, I want my lips to be really full and like sexy for this holiday, so I'm gonna be using my favorite lip plumper from Lip MD. So first I'm gonna apply this lip serum. Well, this is like already, this device my go-to, because every time I'm doing my makeup I'm using this product to like make my lips fuller and just plump. Well, I just love the effect of this lip plumper after I remove this device every time, because my lips are so plumped and just so sexy. So I want to do like a red lip today, so I'm gonna take my Kylie Cosmetics Victoria lip liner. And I'm gonna take this Naughty List Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick. Well, usually people do like lips at the end, but I don't know, I just love to do my lips in the middle. So now I'm gonna wipe away the powder that I have on my face. I'm gonna take this Marc Jacobs bronzer and like so guys, now let's do the eyes. I'm gonna be using my Kylie Bowman palette. Well, this palette is like my favorite of all time because I just love these shades here. They're so pretty. Well, I don't think if it's like holiday colors, but I'm gonna be using this shade, Top Model. Well, I don't want like too much definition for my eyes because I already wear red lipstick, so I'm just gonna do a little like dark here. So I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty shade. It's called Raw. So now I'm gonna take this concealed shade, it's like a concealer, this one. And I'm gonna get this beautiful MAC palette. It's called the Risk Taker. Well, this is the first time I'm using something from MAC. I really wanted to try this shimmer shade here. Wow, I just love this. I'm gonna take this blending brush and just blend everything really carefully. And guys, now I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using this Gracie Piscopo winged eyeliner. And finally, I'm gonna add this white eyeliner in my waterline. I need my highlighter. Finally, I'm gonna spray this Panic London Prep Set Glow to my whole face and my neck, my chest, because I want to be like glowing for the photo pictures. So guys, I'm done. This is my Santa baby makeup, and now I'm gonna go to my Christmas tree and just do a little photo shoot.